Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this PC can't run Windows 11 when trying to install Windows 11. So what we're going to do is we're going to bypass the requirements for secure boot, a TPM module, and the minimum amount of RAM. So if your computer doesn't meet one of those requirements, then we should be able to bypass it. However, if you're say trying to install Windows 11 on a computer that only has a dual core CPU, then it won't be able to bypass that requirement. So if I just try and install Home, as you can see, it tells me that this PC can't run Windows 11. So to fix that, what we're going to do is we're going to press Shift and F10. And what that will do, that will open up the command prompt. And then in the command prompt, we're going to type regedit. And we're going to press Enter. And then inside the registry editor, we're then going to open up the hkey_local machine folder. And then we're going to open the system folder. And then we're going to open up the setup folder. Now we're going to click on the setup folder. And then we're going to right click on it. And we're going to come to New. And then we're going to click Key. Now we're going to name this folder lab config, like so, and then we're going to press Enter. Now inside of lab config, we're then going to right click and we're going to come to New, and this time we're going to select dword 32-bit value. Now we're going to name this first one bypass RAM check, and then again we're going to right click, come to New, and dword 32-bit value, and this time we're going to call it bypass TPM check. And then finally we're going to do the same again, so dword 32-bit value, and this time we're going to call it bypass secure boot check. And now we need to double click on each of these and change the value from 0 to 1. So if I just change all of the values from 0 to 1, and there we go. So this first one should bypass the RAM requirement, the second one should bypass the requirement for a TPM module, and this one should bypass the requirement for secure boot to be enabled. So if we now close the registry editor, and I close the command prompt, and then I come back, and then again if I try to install Windows 11 Home, as you can see, we can now start the installation process. And there we go, we're now installing Windows. And there we go, we now have Windows 11 installed, and we're now just at the account setup page. Now if you want to know how to create a local account in Windows 11, there will be a link to a video in the description, so if you don't want to use a Microsoft account, you can use that. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.